Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this reversible bucket hat. Let's get started. Cut 5 by 3.5 rectangle and draw 3 lines evenly and cut the line until top but has to be attached. I'm going to tape the rectangle onto the other paper, and you make 1/4 inch space in between. I'm adding 1/2 inch of the seam allowance, top, side, and bottom part, not the left side. However, at the end, I cut top seam allowance because I kinda wanna make a little bit shorter height. So in this video, I draw the 1/2 inch seam allowance on top as well, but again I cut the top seam. Next is brim, pretty much same as side panel. Difference is the sizes, 6.5 inches by 3 and 4 lines instead of 3. Two different type of brim. Top one more round, bottom one more straight. More round means brim spreads, and straight brim is the hat will be straight down. This is more curved. For the top circle, use the panel and draw 8 marks evenly. Now side panel, right side together, and half-inch seam and stitch both ends, same as brims. And top stitching, same as side panel. And side panel and brim, you make 8 marks evenly. For the side panel, top and down, 8 marks. This is how I draw the 8 marks evenly. Now I attach top circle and side panel right side together. You have 8 marks, so just put them 2 together. Very easy. Sew them around. Around the edge, you cut a little bit like that. Go around, and after that, turn the work inside out and do the top stitching. Next, you put brim onto the side panel. Top of the brim and bottom of the side panel, right side together. Use the pin to secure and sew them around. Again, you make small cuts around the seam allowance, and after that, top stitching onto the side panel, and you make one more set, exactly same thing. You put 2 hats right side together and sew the edge. Make sure both sides has to be matched. When you sew them together, make sure leave about 4 inches open. If there is excessive fabric, you can just cut it. Now, let's turn the work inside out. Take your time. And on the edge of the brim, you do top stitch and close the opening. That's about it. Enjoy!